In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the find and replace feature in Microsoft Word. Suppose that I am typing or I copy paste or wrote something here in my Microsoft Word and I'm looking for a specific word here because I can't find it and I want to delete it or I want to replace it. So you just have to go to the right side and click this find here, find option here or icon here, and then type the name that you wanted or you wanted to delete or the name that you want to search here. Okay, so trouble, as you can see here, I have here or I am now seeing the word trouble. Now I can delete this one or I can replace the word here. Now I wanted to change the name George here in my story or here in my Microsoft Word because this name George should be Jonathan. So it's so, time consuming if I have to do it like one by one or in this first page if there are lots of drawers here then it's very time consuming, so you just have to go to replace, find what George, replace to Jonathan. Okay, so you just have to click proceed here. Okay, it's up to you if you're going to replace one George only or if you want to replace all George here to Jonathan. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and once you tap OK and you look back to your story here or say phrase here, then all the George name remove and replace into Jonathan. So that's how easy it is to use this find and replace feature in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.